Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our live trading room results. As always, I have chosen 4 or 5 pairs, this case it's 5, and the ones that gave us more pips. And let's start with gold. Gold and indexes, we don't check them very often, but this time gold gave us a really nice movement. We had our combination here with all our filters met, and our opportunity came with an APO of like 100 pips, 110, and you can see of course price moved very quick already till 350 pips, and of course according to the system still counting. Now because we have here double tops, you can always close your last position, half of your last position. You have some kind of a wedge, but you have to remember price is going long and you have some more room for a reaction. And again, when the price reaches this area, it might spike, it might give us another retesting of the resistance and then go down once more. 3 times our APO in gold, and let's go and check Euro New Zealand dollar. On Euro New Zealand dollar, price has broken before our support area. Price was going short, and then we saw price starting to retrace. There was an opportunity after a nice trendline break, a crossover and a small 1 2 3 to take some pips going against the main trend. Many of you do that, so why not mention it? We're talking about like 45 50 pips. Price went all the way up to 250. Price with these 250 pips against the main trend has retraced all the way up to higher settings resistance area, created double tops, and some of you are already in short with an APO of again like 50 pips. You have already your win-win scenario, and of course you can see the retracement against the main trend, and we are talking about a movement that could give you more than 650 pips. So actually we were long till this area. We were expecting some spikes, and again higher settings combination with lower settings entry. Monday morning we will do the top-down approach, and of course we might get also another opportunity to combine some entries, like another M12 with a really nice retracement going for, come on, this is my target, it's where it's waiting for me all the way down here. Yeah, perfect. 5 times our APO. I'm talking about only this trade, and if you add the bounce and the 1 to 3, much more. On Aussie Yen, after price breaking once more a major resistance area, price created multiple tops at the beginning of the week. This is what these vertical lines means, and then we had a crossover and a 1 2 3, which is not in a good area. But then after price breaking our support area, we got another opportunity, nice retracement on combined resistance area. Again, we are talking about an entry of 30 pips, and you can see how far short we are already. We are talking about where the price is right now, 180, 190 pips. Definitely if someone has retraced on higher settings, you might be stopped out, or if you just be still on this trade and you go for an M12 retracement or even an M24. You know why? Because we are trying to create opportunities to stay short as long as possible, which that means you enter on M6 and slowly you start trailing on M24 or even on M48, because you will be going, sorry, I haven't drawn my support area. You could go even for this, combine my EMAs and my previous support area, so we are talking about plenty of pips. There you go. Okay, more or less somewhere here, more than 500 pips, and it's not that big of a deal. Many of you have already done it. So 6 times our APO in Aussie yen, and let's check USD CHF. A similar approach here. Trend continuation. Price gave us a higher settings retracement. Look at this, and then it starts moving back down again with this nice M6 entry. Same approach, 30-35 pips. If you trailed on M6, you would be out with 130. If you trailed on M12, you would be a little bit less, like half of it. More or less 4 times our APO on USD CHF. Let's go to CAD yen. Once more, we had a very powerful uptrend. Many of you were long, win-win scenarios easily with this steep movement, incremental profits on major resistance area, and then what happened? A false breakout and a small range, price creating multiple tops on this resistance area. Even with pending orders or just an order with 49-50 pips, you see that price has already gone where it's supposed to. We are talking about 260 pips, okay, 250 just to calculate easier. That is 5 times our APO. So that means with all these trades, that these 5 trades, we are talking about more than 1,100 pips, 23 times our APO. We got stopped out in a couple of them. That means, okay, let's give 100 pips back, 200, 300, doesn't matter. We're talking about here at least 800 pips or even more, because I just focused on only these 5 pairs that looked much more better. Once more, thank you very much for watching this video. See you again Monday morning in our top-down approach. Have a beautiful weekend, everybody. Stay safe.